The future of Burnet County was up for discussion today following the resignation of the former county judge.
Former Judge James Oakley stepped down in December amid ongoing legal troubles and harassment claims against him. But with 2 years until the next election for voters to choose a new judge, it's up to the 4 county commissioners to pick a replacement. As KXAN's Avery Travis tells us, the county is trying to move forward and county residents have a lot to say about it.
Please bow with me.
A new prayer.
As we begin a new year, we begin a new chapter in Burnet County, Lord.
For new leadership.
There is no process, no detail, no statute that defines how this is to happen. So your public input is valuable.
And Burnet County residents heeded the call, bringing the Commissioner's Court concerns.
There's a lot of unease in the county.
And demands.
Transparency matters. Integrity matters.
About the search for a new county judge amid what this 6th-generation county resident calls
some of the most difficult years for this court in our lifetime.
Former Judge James Oakley spent the last 2 years fighting several different criminal accusations, including abuse of office, official oppression, and tampering with evidence. The claims all centered around his role as a board member of a local electric co-op while holding the county judge seat and the handling of a vehicle crash in 2021. Then in December, the State Commission on Judicial Conduct reprimanded Oakley, citing accusations he removed a lock to the courtroom door of a justice of the peace, Lisa Whitehead. Whitehead also claimed Oakley sexually harassed her on several occasions, detailed in the reprimand.
Recent years, the extreme lack of civility and public discourse has caused me to reevaluate how I want to spend my day-to-day life.
Those are Oakley's words, according to the resignation letter read aloud to the court.
My priorities are to protect my health, safety, and that of my wife and family.
Ultimately, the court voted on a nearly 2-month process.
This is a really large event. Historic, actually.
To publicly post applicants for the job and allow county residents to submit their feedback to commissioners via email and several public meetings.
All those in favor say aye.
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 Avery Travis.
Any opposed?
KXAN News.
Motion passes.
The commissioner said today they would try to post the job opening as soon as today and leave it open for applications until the end of the month. Then they would perform background and eligibility checks for each applicant before posting applicants' names publicly, and then they'd collect public comment before making a selection. And people at today's meeting want all candidate forum as well, and we'll keep you updated about the details once we learn those. As for the ongoing criminal proceedings against Oakley, we've learned the 3rd District Court of Appeals denied his motion for a rehearing and motion for reconsideration. You can catch up on all of our reporting at KXAN.com.